Welcome back, everyone. One of the biggest issues that are randomly coming out for TikTok is actually the invalid parameters issue. So what this is essentially, I don't even know what it is. I don't think really anybody knows what it is. It's a very annoying pop-up, and really the main thing I would tell you to do in this situation, and one thing that constantly comes up at the same time this invalid parameters pop-up comes up, is the servers within TikTok. So what happens is sometimes TikTok, like any other application, will randomly go down. So what does that mean? Well, essentially, an app like TikTok, because they rely on servers and all this other stuff, sometimes those servers can go down, just like Snapchat, just like Instagram, just like, any other application. So all you have to do in that specific case, if you're getting a pop-up that says something like TikTok, invalid parameters, doesn't work, something like that, all you have to do is just close out of the application. So go into it, go out of it like this, and just wait maybe an hour or two. Also, what you can do is make your way over to like isitdown.com or the comment section of this video and sort the comments by the latest comments. And if a lot of people are commenting at the same time, I would recommend you to leave a comment too. And if people are commenting at the same time, TikTok is probably down, and you just kind of have to wait until TikTok actually fixes those issues. Now, for some reason, you go into TikTok and it looks like nobody's really commenting anything else. It looks like TikTok isn't down because isitdown.com and all these other sources aren't really saying that, it's down. Well, you may be on a very, very outdated version of TikTok, and maybe they already fixed this issue with an update and you haven't updated it to it. So all you want to do in this case is you want to make your way over to your specific, app browser, this Google Play Store, App Store, whatever it is. You want to click on search, you want to click on up here, and you want to search up for TikTok. So as you can see, TikTok is right here. You want to click on TikTok, and you want to make sure you update TikTok to the most recent version of TikTok available. As you can see, this one seems to be up to date because I don't see an update panel. So if you're in that case, all you have to do is pretty much just update TikTok, and that may end up fixing the issue. It's not a guarantee, but sometimes this may actually end up fixing it for you, and you may be good to go for the most part. Now, if for some reason this doesn't work out, I would always recommend you to go inside of your settings panel here and just double check your network connections. Make sure you're connected to a solid network connection and all that stuff. If you're connected to a bad network, obviously it's not going to work out well. So you want to go ahead and make sure you're connected to a good, strong network connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular. And if none of those things are still working, you can always try deleting your TikTok app and then re-downloading it. So you can always just go ahead, hold down on the application on Android or iOS, click delete or remove app, and install it for the most part, and then reinstall the application and see if that fixes it. Like I said, typically this main issue is because of, Instagram or TikTok being down. So again, you're probably just going to have to wait it out regardless. But if for some reason it's not working, I'd probably recommend just deleting TikTok and reinstalling it and see if that fixes the issue. So that pretty much covers it up for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.